If you are experiencing any of the following: low heat, low flames, low pressure, or difficulty lighting one or more burners, then the regulator's flow limiting feature has been activated and is restricting gas flow. The most common causes are: improper lighting procedure. All knobs must be closed before opening the gas source. Opening the propane hand wheel too quickly. And poor connection or gas leak. Follow these easy steps for resetting your regulator. With the barbecue lid in the open position, turn all control knobs to the off position, including side burners and rotisserie. Turn your propane hand wheel to the closed position. Disconnect the regulator from the propane tank. Open all control knobs, including the side burner and rotisserie, to purge the manifold. Wait 1 minute. Close all control knobs. Don't forget the side burner and rotisserie. Then reconnect the regulator to the propane tank. Slowly open the propane tank hand wheel. Then slowly turn the lighting burner control knob to max high position and wait 5 seconds. Ignite using your barbecue's igniter. Wait 3 seconds before opening all remaining control knobs. If you are still having issues, repeat these steps. Check for poor connections and perform a leak test as outlined in your Safe Use and Care Manual.